it has really worked for these girls. I put it this way to motivate them. In here is garlic. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Veronica, and today I want to show you how I do my cooking.
To the camera
Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a crazy love moving through me like a wildfire, like a golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a crazy love moving through me like a wildfire, like a wildfire. I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a crazy love moving through me like a wildfire, like a wildfire. Golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking catching a breeze, love moving through me like a wildfire, like a
Since anime is selling, what do you do? Even again, I'm about to go check out my YouTube videos. Bring me into golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a breeze, love moving through me like a wildfire, like a wildfire. Never the same. Paano kung papanan siya?
Taking my sweet time. Hey, whatever the plan, I know I'm holding the best of me out of my hand. I know you always understand. Bring me into golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a breeze, love moving through me like a wildfire, like a wildfire.
Okay, Gracie. sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a breeze, love moving through me like a wildfire, like a wildfire.
today we are starting with the meat. I'm already making the ingredients. The meat is already in, the meat is already cooking. Like I'm boiling it for it to be tender. Yeah, so let me take you through the process, and please subscribe to my channel. Yay!
So what is this?
This is green pepper.
Yes.
Yeah,
Okay. Green pepper and what else?
I use green pepper and tomato. I like using the natural ingredients, like this ones. We have the coriander. I've already put garlic and ginger and some onions, so they're already cooking. This one, I'm making a wet fry mix.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
So,
So I put all my ingredients on top. Yeah.
Is meat your favorite?
Actually, it's my second favorite.
What's your first favorite?
I love fish so much, and I love fish. And chicken. And also chicken.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So, you said you've used coriander, you've used, you said what one, that one is called? I know it's called hoho in Swahili.
Green pepper. Purple, yeah.
Oh, green pepper.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So how much does that cost in Kenya?
This one is in dollars or in Kenya shillings?
Kenya shillings, then we'll just convert it in the caption.
Kenya shillings is 10 bob.
10 bob.
Yeah.
So like the groceries that you've just used, how much did it cost you?
Like 50 bob.
50 bob?
Tomatoes, onions. Okay, let's say it's 70 bob.
70 bob.
Yeah.
Oh, so that's like $0.54
70
almost.
because I used ginger. I bought ginger at 20 bob one. I used onions. I got this one at 5 shillings each. So I'm using 2 of them. I got tomatoes at 5 shillings each. You can see it's a reasonable size. Not so small.
Yeah.
Yeah. And the capsicum also, you see, it's a big size. I've already used half of it. Yeah, and the garlic, 30 bob.
Oh, garlic seems to be expensive, eh?
Yeah, it is.
For such a small size.
No, it's not 30 bob as in this size. It's all of it is 30 bob. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So how long does it usually take you to do the preparations and everything?
Guys, preparation and everything is.
Yeah.
It
To
takes
cook.
time.
It takes time.
To cook a good meal takes time.
So what okay, so you mean you have to put your expertise while cooking,
Of course.
and that's why it takes time.
For you to have a good meal, a tasty meal, you have to take your time. Yeah.
So how is it like to cook in the urban area and to cook in the village?
Cooking in the village, I'll say if I was in the village, I'll plant onions, I'll plant coriander, I'll plant the green peppers and all kinds of peppers. I'll plant literally almost everything, so that the cost of it will go down.
Oh,
Yeah. Please, if you have land, make good use of it. It's very important. You'll at least cut on some pots. Yeah, and you will have to save something. And like us in town, you have to buy literally everything. Yeah, so that's it.
So another thing, how is it like? What I meant to ask is that how is it like cooking in the village using the firewood, then in town or in the urban town using gas?
in town you cannot use firewood. You're living in somebody's property. You cannot destroy it with smoke. So you have to use a gas. Because even using a jiko, you're restricted. You're told if you're using a jiko, please use it outside. And personally, I can't cook outside. I love cooking inside. I love doing my things private.
Private.
Yeah.
So when you're enjoying your meat, you're enjoying private.
Nobody knows I cook meat. Nobody knows. When I don't have meat, I cook sukuma wiki and maybe avocado.
What is sukuma wiki, maybe to viewers who
Yes.
don't know? Okay.
Yeah.
And that's a Swahili word meaning pushing the week.
So when I'm cooking, yes, nobody outside knows what I cooked. So I prefer cooking inside. So the appropriate thing is the gas, and it's expensive this time. It's very expensive, but what to do? We have to do what we gotta do.
That is true.
Yeah. Yeah.
I love the spirit. So also, what else do you like cooking apart from? Okay, and before that, will you show us how you're gonna cook ugali?
I'll show you on the next video. Make sure you see my how I cook my ugali on the next video.
Today you just want to...
Actually, I do my things just simply. I don't overdo things. I don't overuse spices. I just use the I don't like using so much spices on my food. Yeah. I love my food with just the natural taste. Yeah. That's why you see me using these ones. The ones I can cut with my hands. Yeah.
Now, since this is your first video, how do you feel about it? Because now, maybe you've not been behind the camera.
I'm so nervous. But I'll get used to it as time goes by. Please subscribe, like and share.
What's making you feel nervous?
I don't know, I'm just nervous.
Because you like watching content. Now you are a content creator now. You have started the journey of content creation.
I can say it's not easy, especially for a very simple person like me. It's not like I have so many things, big things, Yeah, but I'm starting with whatever I'm having because I appreciate where I am now. Yeah.
That is
so
great.
If you're out there, you want to start something, don't say I don't have the fancy, kitchenware and everything. Start with whatever thing you have. Appreciate whatever you have. Because me, I'm appreciating everything I have. I know life is it's a step at a time.
Yeah.
You cannot have everything at a go. Even
That is true.
Those content creators who have those fancy things, they started from somewhere.
That is so
That's
true.
what I know.
Yeah.
Yeah. So start from where you can, and God will.
And appreciate what you have.
Yeah. Be content with what you have.
Because
that's okay. That's my rule of life. I appreciate what I have, and I'm contented with what I have. I don't I don't put myself for pressure of things. Yeah, I know everything is step by step. I love the good things. Everybody loves good things.
Sure, good
But
life.
yeah, you gotta go step by step, step by step. You'll definitely reach where you want to reach in the future.
That's a great advice.
Yeah.
That's an awesome one. Because what I've come to also to know, in whatever things you have, in whatever life you are living, there is somebody behind you who is wishing to live the life that you are living.
Of course.
But mostly we are always in that.
You want perfection.
You want perfection. You want to complain. But you see, as long as God wakes you up in the morning, there's room for change. There's room for achieving the goals that you want.
Yeah.
Or
Sure. That's very true.
Yeah. So how far are you?
My meat is almost. Yeah.
How long does it usually take?
Okay. I don't cook meat from time to time. No? So it depends. It depends. Sometimes you go buy meat and it's very, like, I don't know, very hard. So it takes a lot of time unless you have a pressure cooker.
Okay.
Yeah, but I'm using a normal sufuria, as you can see. A normal sufuria. So of course it takes a little time. Yeah.
That is awesome.
Yeah. Guys, the meat is almost ready. I wanted to finish that water. Yeah. I'm cooking a wet fry. I hope you know that. So I wanted to finish that water, and then I can put the cooking oil and the rest of the ingredients. Yeah.
That is awesome.
I love this one so much.
Tell us about
It's
what is
tasty.
this?
This is Royco cubes. Yeah. I love using these ones more than the other one.
Though they have not paid you for the promotion.
No, it's okay. I'm not advertising it. I'm just telling you what I like. Yeah. Apart from using these ones, these natural ingredients, I also use this. Yeah, not so much of it, just a little bit.
A little bit.
Yeah, to give it a taste. Enough of taste. My meat is already, actually, it's already tasting great because of, I wish you could smell the aroma.
Yeah. In fact, I'm
It's already
salivating
tasting.
behind the camera.
It's already, like, you can eat it the way it is right now without, without putting oil and everything, because in here is garlic, salt, and what else did I put? Onions, yeah, and garlic. So it's already, it has that aroma. Yeah.
Wow.
I'm almost.
I can still.
So guys, the last week I made some fries. So I'm still having the cooking oil in here, and I cannot throw it away. Okay? So I'm using it to cook. Yeah. I do not waste my things. I make sure I utilize it very, very well because of the economy, guys.
So next,
the economy we are living in does not allow us to waste it. So it's ready. Now I'm going to put oil. This is wet fry. Now, if you don't know wet fry, now this is what we call wet fry. This is what I call wet fry. I don't put too much of it. Yeah. I allow it to cook for some minutes.
use the kamata
I will.
so that the sufuria does. This is what is called kamata, guys. Pair of forceps.
So I'm gonna add.
Let me help you.
I'm gonna add this one on top for more flavor.
That is, what is that?
This garlic. I already put some when it was boiling, the meat was boiling, so I'm just adding it. And then my onions.
Nice.
Yeah. You see, I don't even have a, but I love cutting when I think this way. Yeah, I don't like using the, oops, I don't like using the
Chopping board.
Yeah.
Why?
But I think, I don't know, I'm a village girl. I used to do my things like this since I was young. So I guess I'll have to learn using the chopping board for the safety of my hands.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
For sure.
Yeah.
Then I can see you have blended some potato. No, not potatoes. Tomatoes.
Yeah. For thick soup. Though we are not putting a lot of soup on this one. So I allow the onions to cook for some minutes. Okay. Like 3 minutes. And then I can put in my green pepper.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you start with green pepper first?
No, I start with the garlic and the onions. Yeah. Then I allow it to cook for a bit, for some minutes. And then I add my this is almost like tumbukiza, guys.
What is tumbukiza?
You don't know tumbukiza?
No, maybe for the viewers around the world can get to ask themselves, what is tumbukiza? Veronica told us what tumbukiza.
It's a kind of meat that you don't, you just boil everything, like everything.
Everything is done randomly.
Yeah, you don't fry anything.
Cabbage, you throw cabbage the way it is.
There's no frying anything. Yeah. You don't use oil.
Oh, then that's healthy.
Yeah, very healthy and very tasty. Very yummy. Yeah.
You need to show us
Yeah, I will someday, guys.
in the next video.
The next video, maybe.
You said in the next video you show us how to cook ugali.
And I'll show you how to cook fish.
Oh, fish as well. Awesome.
How I cook my fish. You know, people have
their own
ways.
different,
Yeah. Like now, the way I'm cooking my meat is different from the way another person is cooking their meat. My meat's done. Yeah. So tasty. You have all the natural ingredients with the natural taste. Yeah, so yummy and so healthy as well. Yeah. So I'm allowing the green pepper to cook for some minutes.
Yeah.
Before I add my tomatoes, my blended tomatoes.
Wow.
Yeah, so I blended my tomatoes with a bit of ginger for, you know.
The taste.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
So that gives it the paste.
Yeah. It comes with its natural taste. So yummy, so tasty. Yeah. And the meat is so tender, by the way. So tender.
So when you go like to the butchery, you tell the person the butchery attendant to give you the tender meat, or it's usually luck. How do you tell the meat is tender, or
I have a favorite butchery. So that's where I go get my meat. That's where I find a tender, you know, a good meat. Yeah.
Wow.
So that's where I go.
That is great.
Yeah.
So what does it mean when the meat is tender? Does it mean the cow was old or what?
No. Actually, sometimes it depends with your cooking. Yeah. You have to give your meat some time to cook, you know. Yeah. And then again, I mix everything. And then I give it some times now for the tomatoes to cook.
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, and guys, I do not add my salt here because I already put salt when it was boiling.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, because I think I was waiting for that part as well.
yeah. My salt is already in.
Then that means you can multitask because if it would be me, I would have forgotten, you know, like talking to the camera, and then I would forget that boiling. I'd forget that in the beginning I'd put salt, so I would find myself putting more salt again because maybe I was like talking to the camera and stuff.
I won't because I'm a woman. I don't forget things easily. Okay, there's forgetting, but I don't forget things easily. Especially the details, I don't. Because I want my meat to be, I don't want like people eating meat without salt. You know, adding salt on top is not healthy and it's not as well tasty. Yeah. So I remember, I have to remember everything.
Wow.
Like everything. When cooking. And guys, when you cook with love, definitely.
For sure.
Yeah.
That's
Food
true.
will be tasty. Yeah.
Because you're cooking it with passion and you know, from your heart.
Yeah.
No wonder they say a way to a man's heart is through his stomach.
Of course. And you cannot go through his stomach with bad food. As a lady, you need to know to learn. If you don't know how to cook, you have to learn how to cook. Definitely. Yeah.
That
And
is,
cooking is a skill. Not
yeah, for
everybody
sure.
can cook.
For
Yeah.
sure.
Yeah.
For sure.
Not everybody can cook good food. You can cook.
But not good food.
Yeah.
So there's a difference of cooking and cooking good food. Okay. I'm learning. So there's a possibility of being a chef without even going to
Very true.
specializing in.
Now the tomatoes are really cooked. You can see, guys. You can see. You can see my meat. It's already here. It's looking yummy, yeah.
Wow.
You see? Yeah. So now goes in my coriander.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Why is it that you put it
Last because of the
last?
taste. I wanted the taste. I told you, I love the natural taste of everything. So I put this one last because I also want to taste it. I want to taste. I want to taste everything.
So you're also salivating while cooking.
Of course, I love what I'm seeing.
That is
I
nice.
couldn't wait to. I can't wait to dig in. Yeah. So you see. You see, guys. It's already yummy, yummy, yummy.
Wow.
Yeah. And guys, I love using this muko
Why? By there I was to ask you.
because it doesn't scratch the sufuria.
Oh, so you mean like using
If you use the other one,
it will remove the aluminum filings,
yeah.
and which is not
If you
good.
use this one is actually a serving spoon. This is not a cooking. You
Oh.
know, some other people use this one for cooking. It's not used for cooking. The appropriate one for cooking is this, not this. This one is a serving spoon. Even when you're going to buy it in the shop, you ask for a serving spoon and a cooking stick. You understand, guys?
Yeah.
Yeah. The details matter.
Wow.
Yeah.
Looks like you're a detailed personnel.
Yeah. Guys, I love details. I'm a details person.
Oh, that part.
Yeah. So, you see, my meat is now ready. I'm just giving it 2 minutes. 2 minutes for the Rico cube to, Yeah, and we are good to go. Now guys, my meat is ready. So I have to taste if everything is salt and before I remove it from the fire.
Pluck it.
I have to taste if everything is, if everything is balanced. Yeah, and it is on it.
I'm waiting mom to serve us the food. And we are almost.
Are you hungry?
Yeah.
Are you hungry?
Yes.
Very hungry.
Yeah.
Oh. So what are you having for today?
We are having ugali
Uh.
and yam.
Ugali and nyama. Who is having ugali and nyama? Huh? I can see there's some. What is that?
Cabbage.
And that one, what is that? That's for now. You're gonna eat that with ugali?
No.
Ah,
That one is for
it's for breakfast.
yeah.
So what have you done today, guys? You don't know what you did today? Nicole, you don't know what you did today? Huh?
We play.
You played.
Yeah.
What else?
We take a shower.
Mm. Mom is telling you what to say, so tell us. What did they do? What did they do? Huh? Raja? Uh-huh.
Yes.
Picnic basket
Yes.
has been there for the party.
Eating
Mm-hmm.
garlic, cabbage, and meat.
Wow, this looks yummy. Huh? How are you feeling? Good. How about your mom over there? Hello?
Hi.
The food is ready?
Yeah, the food is ready.
Uh-huh.
They're eating.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
So sit down.
We've forgotten the food.
So guys,
Nicole, you're not... Uh-huh.
I put the ugali in bowls to
Yeah.
motivate them to eat. They are very poor eaters of ugali. So I put it this way to motivate them.
Uh-huh.
If you have a kid who is very poor in eating, as a mother, you will have to look for ways to motivate them.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. You
Wow.
have to look for ways to motivate them because at the end of the day, your child have to eat. So try, make some balls, make some, some toys, your girl in shapes. It has really worked for these girls. Yeah, it has really worked for them.
Wow.
Yeah, so that's it, guys.
So, Nicole, are you enjoying? Really? Where is your chair, Nicole? It is in the room. Okay. Julia, how is the food?
Good.
Really good?
Yeah.
Nice. What do you tell mommy?
Thank you.
Ah, very nice. So that's it for today's video, guys. See you on the next one. They do what? Very good.